Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this celebratory event marking the finalization of the adoption of the euro by Bulgaria. We have with us today the President of ECOFIN, the Danish Minister Stephanie Losse, the Eurogroup President Pascal Donoghue, the Commissioner for the Economy Valdis Dombrovskis, the ECB Vice President Luis de Guindos, and the Bulgarian Finance Minister Temenushka Petrova. We will start with the most important part, the signature of the final 3 legal acts that finalize the process for Bulgaria's adopting the euro. Minister, please.
Yes. So that was the first one. And the second one. And finally. There you go.
Thank you. We have now a moment for each one of our guests to say a few words, and we'll start with the Danish Finance Minister, who can take the lectern over here, and for our guests, maybe you could... Sure.
So, on behalf of the Council of Economy and Finance Ministers, I want to warmly congratulate our Bulgarian friends on their entry into the Eurozone. I'm very honored to witness this historic day for you. Temenushka, congratulations on this tremendous achievement for your country. I can truly imagine that it must have taken a lot of hard work to get here today. As the President of the ECOFIN, I wish you every success with the introduction of the euro on the 1st of January 2026. Congratulations, and I'll try Pozdravlenia.
We have the Eurogroup President, Pascal Donoghue.
Colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the Eurogroup, I am privileged to extend our warmest welcomes to the government and to the people of Bulgaria as they join the euro area. I can remember very clearly the moment in which Ireland joined the euro area. I can remember when I saw my first euro and the benefits that it then offered to the economy of Ireland and the people of Ireland for many years. And it is my most genuine wish that the same opportunities are now afforded to the economy and to the people of Bulgaria. I want to acknowledge the huge work that has gone on to get to this point, and wish the authorities of Bulgaria every success in the final phase of the journey as you prepare to join the euro itself. It is a symbol of connection, and it is a currency of convenience, a currency of safety, but most importantly, a currency of our shared values. So, Minister Petkova, we look forward to welcoming you into the Eurogroup in September as an observer, and then we look forward to welcoming you as a full member of the Eurogroup at the start of 2026. Thank you.
Commissioner Dombrovskis, please.
Good afternoon, everyone, and congratulations to Bulgaria on becoming a 21st member of Euro area. Euro area is stronger for Bulgaria's membership, and Bulgaria is stronger as a Euro area member. I want to extend in particular my congratulations to Minister Petkova and Bulgarian authorities for steering this process to the positive outcome. Today is an important symbolic step for Bulgaria's euro accession, but let's not forget about practical benefits. Joining the euro removes uncertainty about future policy, strengthens external credit ratings, and helps to stabilize and lower interest rates. This helps to promote foreign and domestic investment, leading to higher economic growth and more jobs. And it brings a positive impact on growth thanks to full integration into EU's single market, where Bulgaria's goods and services will become more competitive. In the longer run, the euro brings more stable prices and increases the resilience of the economy in the face of sudden shocks. Now, the focus should be on practical steps for the changeover process. I know that preparations are well underway. So we need to work to make this changeover a success, and the European Commission is in contact with stakeholders from both public and private sectors involved in these practical preparations and ready to provide whatever technical assistance is required. My third point is on the need for Bulgaria to keep pressing ahead of the reforms. So looking beyond January 1st, 2026, maintaining discipline and sustaining the momentum for positive reforms will reinforce and amplify the benefits the membership in the euro area provides. Finally, we're aware that some Bulgarian citizens fear that joining euro area may end up in higher prices. So let me reassure you today, we have strong historical data, including Croatia's recent experience in 2023, that confirms that upward impact on the changeover on the prices is minimal in a short run, while the impact of prices is more than offset over the medium and long term. I also can speak on my personal experience from Latvia's changeover to the euro and benefits of the euro membership. We see that the fears in terms of rapidly increasing inflation did not materialize, and people of Latvia actually recognize the practical benefits which euro is bringing. The public support is high. I'm confident the same is going to be in Bulgaria. So with this, I wish to offer my sincere congratulations to Bulgaria on this historic day once again. It is a culmination of a long journey, but the beginning of another one towards further stability, security and prosperity as you assume membership in the euro area. Thank you.
Thank you. And Vice President de Guindos, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. On behalf of the ECB and the Eurosystem, let me join you in welcoming today's decision by the ECOFIN Council, which paves the way for Bulgaria to adopt the euro as of January 1st, 2026. This historic moment crowns the journey that started in 2007, nearly 2 decades ago when Bulgaria joined the European Union. The euro will bring direct benefits to Bulgarian citizens, fostering, among others, deeper economic and financial integration and attracting productive investment. Introducing the single currency is not only of benefit to the Bulgarian citizens, it also marks an important step forward in the economic and monetary integration of Europe, which benefits all European citizens. Bulgaria joining demonstrates that the European spirit of ever closer union and that the euro area remains an attractive project. Bulgaria's accession also resembles Europe's response to an increasingly uncertain world. We are only stronger together. The euro, whose international role is increasing by the day, offers protection against geopolitical and economic headwinds. Following the Council's decision, we look forward to welcoming the Bulgarian National Bank Governor in the Governing Council, the primary decision-making body of the ECB. Over the remainder of the year, the ECB will continue to support the Bulgarian National Bank for the cash changeover and its integration in the Eurosystem. Congratulations, Bulgaria. Very well done, and welcome to the euro area.
And Minister Temenushka Petkova, the Minister of Finance of Bulgaria, please, you have the floor.
Уважаема госпожо Лосе, уважаеми господин Домбровскис, уважаеми господин Донахил, уважаеми господин Дегиндус, уважаеми дами и господа, днешният ден е исторически за България. Днес България постигна една своя стратегическа цел, а именно членството си в еврозоната. Този успех е резултат от дългогодишната и упорита работа на страната ни. Точно преди 5 години правителството на България с министър-председател Бойко Борисов и финансов министър Владислав Горанов направиха възможно България да бъде член на България да влезе на практика в чакалнята на еврозоната. Без тази стъпка, без тази решителна стъпка, днешният успех би бил невъзможен. Членството ни в еврозоната е предпоставка за икономическа и финансова стабилност на страната. Членството ни в еврозоната е предпоставка за по-добро развитие на бизнес средата в България, за по-добър стандарт на българските граждани. Членството на България в еврозоната означава повече инвестиции и по-голям икономически растеж. Използвам случая, за да благодаря на всички, които бяха по пътя заедно с нас, на Европейската комисия, на Европейската централна банка, на Еврогрупата. Искам да благодаря специално на моите колеги от Министерство на финансите, от българското правителство, Българската народна банка за невероятните усилия, които бяха положени, за да стигнем до днешния исторически за страната ни ден. Благодаря още веднъж от сърце. България, както винаги досега, ще бъде стожер по отношение на фискалната дисциплина. Искам да ви уверя в това. Ще направим всичко възможно, за да оправдаем доверието и подкрепата. Благодаря ви от сърце.
I would like to invite everyone for a family photo. I'll put this in your hands. And maybe just in front of the table. Yes. Maybe you could be in the middle. Yeah, in front of the table. And we also have a few lots of Bulgarian coins. We would maybe suggest that each one of you signs one coin for the memory book.
We all have nice coins.
Yeah, four of them.
Okay, here we are. Maybe I just do the all coins and.
We are going to put it,
What?
all the signatures in one.
No.
We have to sign all of them.
Yes, so that each of us has coins with signatures, no? So, where are the other coins? So, this is €2 coin. Who gets that one? Okay.
Okay, let's go.
That's easy. That's a puzzle. Very well. Did everyone sign it? Yeah. That's good.
One more quick picture. There you go.
Okay, this one. I can take this one in.
Okay. Good, great.
Thank you. Много благодаря на вас.